Hi, so for today's math, this was in the front pocket of your red folder. We were working on, you remember these lessons? You're going to look back through here until you find lesson 15.1, looks like this. Okay, and that's what you're going to work on today. It's about equal parts, equal shares, and unequal shares. And then in the pocket of your red folder, you have my second grade fraction book. We're going to do the first 2 pages of this today too. And for that, you're going to need, let me see, I think you need scissors, glue, and a yellow and a blue crayon. Okay, so let's talk about what equal and unequal shares are. The word partition in our standard means to make things in pieces. Take a whole thing and cut it into pieces. So we're going to do 2 circles. If I wanted to cut this into pieces, and I was very careful, made a line right down the middle, this piece and this piece would be the same size, right? The same, equal means the same, just like it does in all of math. 2 plus 2 equals 4 because 2 and 2 put together is the same as 4. So we want our pieces to be equal if they're going to be equal shares and fractions. Now over here, I'm going to draw a line and cut this circle. Now, if this was a cookie, would you want this piece or would you want this piece? I'd want this piece. These are not equal shares. Your friend is not going to be happy if you give him this piece and you eat this piece, right? When we partition things into equal shares, each person gets the same amount. Equal means the same. So you can do that with any type of shape. You could do it with a square, okay? And there's different ways to make a square into equal shapes. You could do a line straight down. You could do a line from corner to corner. These 2 shapes are equal. You could do a line across like this. Those 2 pieces are equal. Shares. Call them shares because you can share them with somebody else and they're the same size and everyone's happy. So you're going to be looking for whole pieces that have been cut into equal shares and whole pieces that have not been cut into equal shares today. So I want you to do lesson 15.1 first. We're not going to do it in the computer today. You're just going to do it in this packet. It'll tell you exactly what to do, but it's going to say the same things I did. See, it's going to have up here, it's going to teach you about equal and not equal shares and what they look like. And then you're going to find some that are and some that aren't. And you're going to tell how many equal shares the pieces have. And then this is the last page of the lesson today, right here. Then you're going to get out my packet. And the first page tells you to get a blue and a yellow crayon. And if the shape down here has equal shares, you get to color it blue. If it has unequal shares, you color it yellow. And then you're going to do a cut and paste activity. So you have equal on this side, not equal on this side, and you have some shapes down here to cut out and glue on where they go. And be careful when you're cutting that you don't cut the pages underneath it. Make sure you've lifted this up. I would do this. So you just have this page to cut. You can use your glue stick. And I want all the shapes that have equal parts on this side and all the shapes that do not have equal parts on that side. All right, so have fun with that. That is your math for today.